Janine Gutierrez 35th birthday. Last but not the least, birthday greetings. Nagpasalamat nga si Janine Gutierrez sa lahat ng bumati sa kanya ng happy birthday. Janine Gutierrez 35th birthday. Ayan nga ang binahagi ni Janine Gutierrez sa September to celebrate another October and another year around the sun. Happy birthday! Ito naman ang pa-birthday greetings ni Mami Lutlot kay Janine Gutierrez. Kay Nine, you'll always be my baby, wishing you love all the beautiful days of your life. Anak, happy birthday! I love you. Nine talaga yung basa sa Janine ni Janine Gutierrez, guys. Nine. Ayan o, ayan yung happy birthday. Jan 9. 9 talaga yun, guys. Ito naman ang pagbati ng kanyang only brother na si Diego Gutierrez. October 2, huling sayaw day, but most importantly, it's Janine Gutierrez Day. Love you so much, ate. We really got so lucky with you and we are so grateful to have you. We are also very proud Sebist and can't wait to see what else in store. Happy birthday, everyone. Please watch these clips to see the real Janine Gutierrez in different moods, including the first time she heard Huling Sayaw. Iris. Last but not the least, ito naman ang mga pa-throwback photos and birthday greetings ng makeup artist ni Janine Gutierrez na si Miss Anthea Bueno. Happy birthday to one of my favorite people. Thank you for being such a blessing to everyone around you. Your smile radiates pure joy to everyone you meet. Hers to more milestones and memories. I'm so grateful to have shared so many of these special moments with you. Even a 20 photo Instagram carousel wouldn't be enough to showcase all the time I've enjoyed doing your makeup and how much fun it is being both your glam team and friend. Hope you're having the most amazing day. Love you, Janine Gutierrez. So ayan nga yung mga pa-throwback ni Anthea Bueno since kung kailan siya nag-start mag-makeup kay Miss Janine Gutierrez. So ayan nga ang binahagi ni Anthea Bueno. Nagpasalamat nga din si Janine Gutierrez kay Ma'am si Jolens, kay Echo, sa lahat ng bumati sa kanya ng happy birthday. Ayan, love you so much, Ate Jolene. So happy naging mag-bestie tayo dito sa Lavender Fields. At iniisip ko nga forever na ito. Love you, Ate. Thank you. At dahil ultimate crush nga ni Ma'am Shemelay si Miss Jericho Rosales, so ito ang pagpaparaya. Nagpaubaya si Ma'am Shemelay. So ayan, happy birthday, Janine, that broke my heart. So ayan, dumawa si Miss Janine Gutierrez. And ayan pa yung mga bumati kay Miss Janine Gutierrez. Happiest birthday, Sister Janine. Haba ng hair abot sa'yo sa love ya. So ayan nga. Then nag-thank you nga din si Miss Janine Gutierrez kay Echo. I'm so happy. Thank you. Ayan, happy birthday, Miss Janine Gutierrez.